Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to 94 Pelican Street. This beautiful house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little less than 1,700 square feet. Come on in, take a look. Well, beautiful people, I hope you loved the tour at 94 Pelican Street. My name is Dwayne Newberry with eXp Realty. If you want a private showing, please give me a call at 925-890-3949. I just walked 10 minutes from the house, and this is your backyard right here. Well, take a look and see what you think, and go and have a blessed day.